Hello everyone, this is AI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this triangle pattern in Affinity Vector Studio, formerly known as Affinity Designer. In order to create this pattern for a pattern fill, we first need to identify the tile that repeats itself throughout the pattern. In this particular pattern, identify the following tile that I highlighted with a black square. The key to identifying a tile in a pattern is that it must start at the top, where it ends at the bottom, and it must start on the left, where it ends on the right. So this is what we are going to seek to create. And this is what the tile will look like after we have created and exported it. Alright, so to get started, we go to File New and we create a new composition. I will give it 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions. So we need a square format for this particular pattern, and we click on Create Document. And then we go to View, Guides, and we add horizontal and vertical tensor guides to the composition. And make sure that you are in the Vector Studio. And then we're going to start drawing the pattern. So we take the pen tool, we set the fill and the stroke to none, and then we position the first node here in the middle of the composition, and then the second node here at the bottom right, the third node here at the middle on the right side, and then we go back to the starting point, and then I will set the stroke to none and the fill to orange. And also I'll give it a bit of noise. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate the triangle. So we take the Move tool and we go here to Move Tool Settings. We check on Enable Transform Origin. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on Duplicate. We set the number of copies to 3 as we need 4 overall. And we set the rotation angle to 90 degrees. And we click on OK. So this gives us all the other triangles that we need. So now we have created a tile and we can export it and use it to do a pattern fill. So we go to File, Export. We set the file type to PNG and here area, all document, and we click on Export. Alright, so now that we have exported the tile, we can use it to do a pattern fill. So we go to File, New, and we create a new composition. And then we take the rectangle tool, we set the fill and the stroke to none, and we draw a rectangle all over the composition. We take the Vector Flow Fill tool, and then we go here to set Bitmap Fill, and we select the tile that we just created. We click on the composition, and this creates a pattern fill. And then we can adjust the size of the pattern while holding Shift to lock the angle to make it bigger or smaller. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a triangle pattern in Affinity Vector Studio. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!